some noise from Nick and Goff from Shockbyte!
Shockbyte attended our second Insomnia gaming festival, I-71, this September here in the UK, and we had a blast. The event ran over 3 days and was an incredible experience, from unique costumes, competitive gaming competitions, and a ton of cutting edge vendors. It was exciting to experience everyone getting into the gaming festival hype this year. Interacting with everyone is always our favourite part of attending these events. The event opened to a sea of excitement, with everyone exploring the hall and getting stuck into the games, with lots of people getting involved with everything we had to offer at our booth. Day 2 was even more packed full of fun and excitement, with loads of people getting competitive with the different competitions we had to offer for chances to win many various prizes, from gift cards, koala plushies, and even our Nintendo Switch giveaway. Sunday was the last day of the event, but that doesn't mean the fun stopped there. On the third day, our resident koala mascot made an appearance, and we took to the main stage to talk a bit about what we do, as well as give away some more koalas.
Insomnia will be insomnia without our great partners. So how about we go wild, we go crazy, and we make some noise from Nick and Goff from Shockbyte!
Hey guys, how you doing? Whoever's played Minecraft before? Really cool plushies, exclusive Shockbyte merch. Who wants a plushie?
Ooh.
I'm so sorry, Sam, you missed out.
Oh, and our koala toe partisan just danced on stage.
So join Shockbyte on stage.
Thank you to everyone stopping by, playing some minigames, and getting to share your enthusiasm with us.
Make some noise for Shockbyte.